Order the following decimal numbers from least to greatest. Okay, so this is a question that deals with place value. The way to solve this kind of a problem is to rewrite all these numbers and center them, if you like, on the decimal point. So what I'll do here to make it a bit clearer what I mean, so have a line and all the decimal points are going to line up on that line when I rewrite them. So for example, I'm going to start here with 0.03. So here we go, 0, there goes the decimal point, 0.3, that one's done, 3 point, right, 0.0, this one here is 3.03, and again keeping these numbers here in this part of the working in line, so keep all the digits in their place values, and 0.30, and this last one here 30.03. Okay, so this will now help me with my decision making. I'm going to go from the least to the greatest, so I'm looking to start with I'll start with the greatest because it's a bit easier to do the greatest, and on this basis I start in the tens column, and I look down the tens column and I look down here, and there really is only the 3. There's only one number with a digit in the tens column, and that's 30.03, so I know that 30.03 is the largest. Okay, so he's out of the game, and I go to the units column. Okay, so what have I got here? Well, I've got a 0, I've got a 3, I got a 3, and I got a 0. Okay, so there are 2 3s there, so I'll deal with them next because they will become, one of those is definitely the next largest number. So we go to the very next place value, which is here. This is our tenths column, right? This is our tenths. Now they're both 0, so that doesn't help. So we go over one more and we go to our hundredths, and we see a 3 in this one. So I now know for sure that 3.03 is the next largest, but I also know now that 3.00 is the third largest. And now I'm left just with these two numbers, so let's go through that process. So they both have zeros in the units. Past the decimal point here we go to the tenths, that's got a 0 there, that's got a 3. So I know that 0.30 is next largest, and then 0.03 is the smallest of all of those numbers.